Hello, I am Subrata Biswas and we are team 1. We are given the project remote monitoring of water level in water tanks, and this is the project, our progress in week 3. Here you can see we are monitoring the water level. We use a motor to supply water in the small bucket or tank, and we use a switch to use it as auto mode or in manual mode. And I give the power source to my laptop, and here it, and now I previously tested it before, and I switch to it in manual mode so that the pump is off. And now you can see the water level is 22%. Here is the small bucket, that is the ultrasonic sensor, you can see, and here is the motor to supply, and here is the 9-volt battery. Here is the 12-volt DC motor to supply water from this bucket, and here is the whole circuit, this Arduino, and here is the LCD display with the I2C module. Here is the switch, here is the relay, and this is connected properly, and the power source is come from here. And now when I move to it from manual to auto, you can see now it is in auto mode, and you can see the water level is 27%. Now it is 33%. The water level is 44% now. Pump status is on and it is in auto mode. Now this is it is fluctuating. It is now 49%, about 55%. This is now 60%. When it will be above 85%, then it will automatically off. You can see now this is 82%, and it is filling, and now it is 88%, and automatically the pump status, you can see, now is off, and the pump is off. So this is our automatic pump system.